Ito. Labuds, oh.
Dapat may gitara.
Pre, gitara na lang kulang, oh.
Kasi tutulak ka.
Kung inaakala mo.
So, Dobrden, good morning everyone. So, right now, we are at Kralabensky Jezero, or famously known as Sutovsky Jezero. It is a quarry that has been filled with water. So, this is the first time that I'm going on a trip with this many companions. We are right now around 15 persons. So once again, every trip that I take, there is always a mishap that happens. We are supposed to get off at Sutovko Radkovo station, but unfortunately, for some apparent reason, the train didn't stop there. So we had to get up to the next stop, and we had to walk around 45 minutes to get here, but it's totally worth it. So here is the lake, Sutovsky Jezero. So in this vlog, I might be going to talk in my native tongue to talk to them, but I will put a subtitle right on the bottom if we use our native tongue. Ito na, first time natin mag-vlog na may kasama, ano? Worth it ba ang trip?
Worth it.
Iwan?
Laki ng isda.
Paldo.
Guys, ito, ano, worth it ba ang lakad?
Worth it, man! Woo! Ulitin!
Ano?
Hello!
Laban.
Anong pangalan nitong lake? Anong pangalan nitong lake? Yan na yun?
Sutovsky Jezero.
Sutovsky.
O Kralovansky Jezero.
Hindi ba yan?
So this is the map of the actual lake.
Wala dyan.
Gano'ng kalalim dyan sa harap? Dito, gano'ng kalalim dito?
2 meters. Diyan, ano na yan, 10, 11
Ilang feet yung 2 meters?
2 meters, 1 metro tayo eh.
feet. Diba sa 1 metro, 3 feet yun. Ayun.
Lampas tao na rin yan.
Metro yan. Siguro mga nasa ano yan. 8. Reflection lang ng tubig.
Yan pala ang biyak ng ano,
Andel.
handle.
Hindi niya kailangan ng ano. Ano yun? Ulo na lang.
Even na natutungtungan na.
Oh.
Yeah, dito pag hindi tayo kumalon. Yan, walang kiyat ng mga ito.
Tatalong ka? Ay, lamig hindi.
Kaya? Ayos.
Malalim.
Malalim.
Mahirap ka dito. Makaakyat. Mahirap ako makit dyan, taas yan. Ay, sumano, patay na. Hindi ba yung mga lamig eh. Ayan, pre. Tawag na lang. Ha? Tawag na lang. Uwa. Eh, dito ko na rin nakatira. Dito wag ganyan. Yan. Diba? Gusto ko na rin tumalon.
Ayan.
Ay na, naano ako sa lamig, hindi siya lalim.
Tama na lang.
Pag kumahong ka kasi,
Hindi, wala pa rin tutumahon ka.
oh. Ang lamig ko. Lamig.
Gusto ako sana eh.
Para ako nasyak ka. Lalim nga.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ano?
Lamig.
Sa gilid ka umakyat. Dito ka umakyat eh.
Saan? Oo, ano?
So as you can see, I have already taken a dip a couple of times. The water is actually cold at first, but that's just about it. When you finally take the leap and go for a swim, you wouldn't mind the cold anymore.
Tingnan boy.
Lamig talaga.
Yun o. Hindi naman yung vertical dito, baka mawala ko.
Dito ka matigas.
Oh!
Ano tayo dito para maligo, hindi ano.
Kasama ko dito. Okay, una muna. Kailangan nyo, una ulo.
Palakasan ng kalabog ah.
Yun o.
Hindi ako makakit.
Magdukali. Ngayon. Backflip!
Ayan naman.
Yun, no?
Okay, game.
Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Slovakia. Saan ba kayo ngayon? Watch me! Check it out, baby! Ano na yun? Ano video?
Hindi nakapit.
Hello!
So we are done for swimming for the day. We're just relaxing and waiting for us to get home. The train that we're going to take will be at 5:38. So we still have some time to free time to relax a little bit. So I'll show you around the lake. So that's the lake, and there's actually like a bank before the deep end. Let's try walking around it. There is actually this restaurant here, but as of now it's not yet opened. Maybe because it's not yet actually summer, it's just only the beginning of the summer. Yeah, look, like there's like a beach before the deep end. In the height of summer, I think it would be better to come back here. Right now the water is actually cold, but it's tolerable. And on that side of the beach right over there, that is actually the nudist side where they taking their swimsuit off. So this is Kralabanske Jezero, or also known as Sudovske Jezero, with its emerald green water. The water is actually refreshing. So I think I will end the video right here. So I will put in the description or comment section on how to get here from a certain point that is easily accessible for everyone. So that would be it for now. So once again, my name is Kuya Joe. So if you happen to find this video interesting and knowledgeable, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social media. Every social media that I have is named Cavite Checkpoint: Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So that is it for now. Ciao, bye.